We are starting with a super simple slaw salad that we're going to serve along with a balsamic chicken. So here I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm going to season up our boneless, skinless thighs. For 4 adult portions, I would use 8 boneless, skinless thighs, 2 per person per portion. I'm going to season them up with just a little salt and pepper. Then you're going to put them into the pan seasoned side down. I'm over medium-high heat. Then we're going to take them out of the pan and make a nice, simple pan sauce with balsamic vinegar and Dijon mustard. And season up side 2. Now for the slaw, celery with the leafy tops. Don't trim the tops off. This is the most delicious part of celery, are the leafy tops. 1 small red onion, thinly sliced. And to that, we're going to add fennel. And we're going to dress this so simply, just lemon juice and olive oil, salt and pepper, period. Come on back and we'll work on that sauce together right after this. So I want the salad to marinate a bit and to let the acid from the lemons really work on our fennel slaw with celery and red onion. Good extra virgin olive oil to coat. And we'll just let that hang out. So we've taken our chicken out of the pan. You brown the chicken on both sides. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs, one of the best bargains in the grocery store. I'm stripping a few fat stems of rosemary. I just used my little hand grater to grate up 3 fat cloves of garlic. The pan is still nice and hot. I dialed the heat back just a bit. I'm going to add a bit more olive oil to the center of our pan. Give it a little shake. Throw in our herbs and garlic. A little black pepper in there. The star of this sauce, the coating for the sauce, is a good balsamic vinegar. Now, when you're adding vinegar to the pan, we need about 1/3 cup, so that's going to be about 6 turns of a pan. I'm going to bump up the sweetness of it by adding a fat pour, about a tablespoon of pourable light brown sugar. To that, a little Worcestershire sauce. And to that, a couple of fat spoonfuls of grainy or regular Dijon mustard. That's it. You put these guys back in and give them a coat and just let them sit in there and gently finish cooking through. If it gets a little tight, if it starts to get a little too glazed or too thick, and you don't think the chicken is cooked all the way through yet, add a splash of water or chicken stock, and you're good to go. Don't forget the drippings on the plate after you brown the chicken. It will give off a little juice. Pour that right back into the skillet. I'm going to let this cook through another couple of minutes, take one more break. When we come back, we'll serve it up. So the last second right before you serve, I take some arugula and toss it into my fennel slaw to add a nice peppery flavor to it. I pile a big, beautiful bed of that refreshing slaw. I'm just chopping up our fronds. And now we're going to arrange our kind of balsamic shellacked chicken right up on top. So we've got warm, tender, buttery chicken up on top of that crispy bed of crunchy goodness. And then we just take that shellac. Oh,